Beyond Cool is back again. Who doesn't love bacon? I'll repeat myself. Who doesn't like bacon? We have an amazing non-stick frying pan all the way from Italy. And we have the regular cast iron pan that's been around forever. Both have a half a cup of water in. My hands are, of course, proving that the frying pan is not on by sticking it in it. Silly me. I'm going to put it on high, both at the same time. Of course, I will lower it. The water is my hack. It doesn't cause splattering, doesn't cause overheating, and it speeds up the cooking process. Let's see what happens. Are we going to be happy with non-stick? Or are we going to be happy with cast iron? Of course, you can't taste it, but you can watch it, and you make that decision. So both are on high. Let's see what happens, and then of course, we'll go from there. This is Beyond Cool, doing something super cool in the kitchen. And of course, bacon came from the same package, same thickness, same cut from, of course, the pig. So we'll see where this goes from now. So once again, let's be quiet. Let's enjoy the sounds of the stove. Let's enjoy sounds of the bacon. As you can see, the bacon is going super, super, super fast. The cast iron pan is like building smoke and smoke and smoke. Hear that sound of the bacon. Both frying pans started at the same time with the same heatness. Both went to max. Both had a half a cup of distilled water in each frying pan. One's non-stick, one is cast iron. Non-stick, cast iron. The non-stick is pretty cool. And listen to that sound. Listen to that sound. Don't have to churn anything. Just enjoy the sound of the bacon and the water. This is no splatter. Listen to that sound. Listen to that sound. Now I'm just going to move the bacon over. Do a quick flip just so you can see it. The cast iron pan gets super hot really quickly. Most of the water is gone there. So I'm going to lower that one. It's not a true science experiment, but it does show you how fast the cast iron works. I put it to medium from high, and you hear it sizzling. It hasn't stuck to the pan, but that sound is amazing. It is totally beautiful. Listen to that sizzle. Listen to that sizzle. We're almost done. The other one, the non-stick, is still has water and still at high. Pure heaven. Pure heaven. Hearing that. Pure heaven. Water is almost evaporated from the non-stick frying pan. Cast iron pan gets super hot. We already reduced it from high to the cast iron to medium. There's no water in the frying pan, no sizzling, no splattering from the cast iron pan. Just getting now the golden marks on our bacon. Real time, baby, real time. I'm trying really hard not to say Google it, as you would see in my previous videos. Oh, I just said Google it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The non-stick frying pan is splattering now because the water is almost gone. So I'm going to lower its temperature. Oh, that sizzle. That sizzle. Perfect. The sizzling is calm and collective. The sound of heaven. There has been polls done where they say the best bacon is still from the cast iron pan. Again, it's your choice. Both start at the same time because the cast iron pan can hold the heat. It will cook the bacon faster. I did have to lower the frying pan when it started to splatter, when the water almost evaporated. Listen to that sizzle. Listen. This is almost done. The cast iron pan is almost done. This caught up. Almost. This is already done, this piece right here. I'll leave it to the side. Looks like it's hotter over here with this side of the frying pan. Of course, I would pay a lot more picked bacon if I wasn't cooking for people that are cool out there. I'm going to keep track of which plate is which. This is from the cast iron. I usually put a paper towel down, but that is just beautiful. There's only 3 pieces left. This one is almost ready. Just get into that bacon fat. This is how I like bacon. Some people might have taken it out already, This piece is beautiful. Look at that sizzle. Look at that sizzle. Another cast iron. Cast iron is done almost. Has one more piece to go. You make that decision. I wish you were here to try it out. Just pure heaven. We have 4 still in a non-stick frying pan, cast iron. I usually cook the bacon at the back of the stove just in case it does splatter. It's easy cleanup. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those. Look at that. That's so beautiful. This is beautiful too. The non-stick pan made a splatter around the stove. Cast iron, nothing. The cast iron is done. Let's put this aside over here. So this is almost done. You'll even see the texture is a little bit different. It has more fat in the frying pan because it's a little bit smaller, the non-stick. This is almost ready. Also, so I'll put this piece in. Look at that, still sizzling. I would have a paper towel underneath that plate, but I do want you to see the contrast with the bacon and the white plate. And all 4 pieces are in. So this is the non-stick frying pan. We still have the bacon drippings, which you can definitely use to make omelets or the best sunny side eggs. This is the cast iron. This is the cast iron bacon. It was done faster and it was a little bit more crispier without less splatter. I almost burnt my hand holding the cast iron, still holding the heat. So very simple. This is bacon at its finest. Gourmet, if you want to say. Let's now enjoy. So the now awaited food test. We pick the 3rd piece from the right, cast iron. Oh, delicious. Love it. 3rd from the right. It is heaven. Yeah, there is a difference. A little bit crispier, less time. I could have left it on longer to get that crispier effect. There is a difference. Let me know in the comments. And of course, Beyond Cool wants you always hit the subscribe button. That is super cool. Till next time, signing off. Beyond Cool.